So you want to shoot great looking videos with your smartphone fast and easy? Welcome to Smartphone Filmmaking Pro. I spent the last 3 years making videos for big name clients such as BMW, Nomad, Cyan, CapCut, and many more, and I've condensed all of my knowledge about making cinematic videos with a smartphone into this masterclass. If you are just starting out with making videos, it all can be a bit overwhelming, I understand that. You don't know where to get started, like what are the best settings, how to frame your shots, should I film vertical, horizontal, what are the best apps, tools, and so on. And these are all questions that we at Smartphone Filmmaking Pro get on a daily basis, and these are all of the questions that we answer within our masterclass Smartphone Filmmaking Pro. In this course, I'll show you step by step how you can take the smartphone that you have in your pockets and shoot cinematic videos that look like this. It doesn't matter if you're a dad, a mom capturing your family, a real estate agent, an entrepreneur making a video for a business, or just someone that wants to take better videos with a smartphone, we'll have you covered. The course is well structured, it's easy to follow, it contains over 270 videos, and this will be your path to cinematic videos. Additionally to the training program, you'll also get several downloads, you'll get discounts on gear, as well as access to our private community where you can share your work, get direct feedback on your work from myself, and in the end, all of these things will just massively shorten your learning curve. In the last 3 years, we've helped over 10,000 people make better videos with their smartphones, and some of them even went full-time making videos with their smartphone. If you're still not sure this is right for you, you can literally just try it. Over the last 3 years, we had a satisfaction guarantee of over 97%, so we are very confident that you'll love the course, and we do offer you a satisfaction guarantee. You're not happy, we'll refund you your money. So transform your smartphone videos today and join our awesome community. I can't wait to see you there.
Hi, my name is Lily and I'm a member of Smartphone Filmmaking Pro. A few years ago, I started filming my holidays simply with an iPhone, and both me and my family were impressed by the video quality of the movies. After a while, I decided to found my own company, Leica Films, and now I earn my living by producing image films and social media content for all different kind of companies. And believe me or not, I still film everything with an iPhone. My favorite thing about smartphone filmmaking is that everyone can do it, since it is learned really fast and nowadays everyone has a smartphone. A huge help was the Smartphone Filmmaking Pro course. It taught me everything essential, and you could say that it transformed my iPhone into a real professional camera. Julian is the founder of this program and is doing a really great job. He covers topics like the required equipment, technical and creative aspects, transitions, editing, and also social media. I love that he also speaks about making really money with smartphone filmmaking, which motivated me to start my own company and helped me to be successful immediately. If you think about getting the Smartphone Filmmaking Pro course, I would recommend it 100% to you.
Hi, if you're thinking about buying the Smartphone Filmmaking Pro program, I highly recommend it. Hi, my name is Tom Gozy, and I've only been in the program for a few months, but I can tell you, at the very least, you've found a great new hobby. Just know that your boyfriend, girlfriend, spouse, whatever, might look at you strangely because you're excited about a foggy forecast. All of a sudden, snowfall can be cinematic, with countless angles to shoot from. And who knew that watching rainfall could be interesting? But the Smartphone Filmmaking Pro program shows you it can be. So can scenes like this, which is nothing more than a frozen puddle filmed in slow motion up close. Techniques Smartphone Filmmaking Pro teaches also allow you to show great things in nature, like this frozen mountain stream, in new and interesting ways. There are ways this can be turned into something you can monetize as well. If you're thinking about buying the program, I doubt you'll be disappointed. Take the plunge.